Hi guys! Today I'm going to go over questions 1 through 5 from the 2017 AMC 8. Timestamps to each question will be provided in the description. So question 1 gives us a bunch of values and it asks which of them is the largest. So to solve this problem, all you really have to do is figure out the value of each of these answer choices. So this one, 2 plus 0 plus 1 plus 7 is 10. This one, 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 plus 7, so that would be 8. 2 plus 0 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 0 plus 7 is 9. And that is 0. So the largest value would be A. Question 2 states, Alicia, Brenda, and Colby were the candidates in a recent election for student president. The pie chart below shows how the votes were distributed among the three candidates. If Brenda received 36 votes, how many votes were cast altogether? So Brenda got 30% of the votes, right? And 30% equals 36 votes. So 30%, or 30 over 100, of, let's say, the total number of votes is X, equals 36. So all you have to do now is solve this equation for X, which would be, let's simplify this into 3 over 10, multiply both sides by 10, so that's 3x equals 360, and then x equals 120. So then 120 votes were cast altogether. Question 3 asks what the value of this expression is. So all you have to do is solve that expression, or find out what that is. So 16, 8, 4, boop, boop. So first of all, let's go small first. What does this equal? Well, that equals 2. So we can rewrite this to be 16, 8, 2, there. And then 8 times 2 is 16. So what does this equal? Well, root 16 is 4. So we can rewrite this whole thing as 16 times 4, or the square root of 16 times 4. Well, what is 16 times 4? That's 64. So the square root of 64 is 8. So the value of the expression is 8, C. Question 4 states, when 0.000315 is multiplied by 7,928,564, the product is closest to which of the following? So what this question is asking is, what is the closest thing to this? So to solve this question, let's just put this number, let's just rewrite that as something else, something easier to solve. So this would equal 3.15 times 10 to the negative 4, because 1, 2, 3, 4. So 10 to the negative 4. And let's check to see if this is actually right. Okay, so 3.15 times 10 to the negative 4, so you would go 3.15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 0, 0. So that is correct. And let's multiply this times this now. The 10 to the negative 4 times 7,928,564. So that would just equal 792.8564. So now what we have is that this is equal to 3.15 times 792.8564. So let's just multiply the rounded versions of these numbers. So let's multiply 3 times 793, because we don't really need a perfectly exact number. It says closest to. So 793 times 3 equals 2379. And the closest answer choice to that is D. Question 5 asks what that expression equals. So to solve this problem, you would need to know that the sum of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus all the way up to an integer n equals n times n plus 1 over 2. Or you wouldn't need to know that, but it does make things easier in computation. You could just add everything out, but that takes more time. So let's think about this. So this would be 8 factorial because you're multiplying all the positive integers before n together. So 8 factorial over 8 times 9 over 2. Okay, so let's change that and into 2 over 8 times 9 times 8 factorial. Okay, so now we can start canceling things. First of all, this becomes 7 factorial. Then we can take this and write it as 2 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 times 6 times 7 over 9. A 3 cancels out here, and another 3 cancels out here. Now all that's left to do is to compute 2 times 2 times 4 times 5 times 2 times 7. So let's do that. This would equal 10. This would equal 16. 16 times 7 is 112, so that's 1,120. So the answer is B. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for the rest of the 2017 AMC8.